When I started building this platform, I had to make an important decision. How should I manage my content? Today, people don't just access content from a desktop computer. They use smartphones, tablets, and many other devices. The content stays the same, only the presentation changes. That's exactly why I chose Contentful. I wanted to create content once and use it everywhere. But what does that actually mean in practice? Let's look at a simple example. Imagine writing an article for your website. The article contains a title, images, and the actual content. Most people only see the finished page, but behind the scenes, the content has to be managed somewhere. In my case, that content is managed inside Contentful. Contentful stores the information in a structured way. Titles, images, summaries, and content are all organized separately. This makes the content easier to manage and maintain. The website itself doesn't store the content. Instead, it requests the information from Contentful whenever it's needed. The front end is responsible for presenting the content to the visitor. Contentful is responsible for managing it. This approach provides a lot of flexibility. The same content can be displayed on a desktop computer, on a smartphone, or on any future platform I might decide to support. The content remains the same, only the presentation changes. Another advantage is simplicity. Content only needs to be maintained once. After publishing an update, every connected channel can immediately use the latest version. There is no need to recreate the same information multiple times. This separation between content and presentation was one of the key design decisions for this platform. It keeps the system flexible, easier to maintain, and ready for future growth. For me, choosing Contentful was not just about selecting a content management system. It was about creating a solid foundation for a platform that can evolve over time. The content comes first. The technology simply helps deliver it in the best possible way.